Hello children, welcome back to the class. Our topic linear inequations. Before I start, let me solve one doubt asked after the previous class. One question was asked, if 25 minus 4x is less than equal to 16, find the smallest value. A different question it is. These kind of questions are needed to understand the concept well. Smallest value of x when first case x belongs to the set of real numbers, second case when x belongs to the set of integers. So first thing we will solve this and get one value. First of all, 25 minus 4x is less than equal to 16. So 25 minus 16 is less than equal to 4x. Thus you get 9 smaller than equal to 4x, that is 9 upon 4 is smaller than equal to x. Now while simplifying this, try to put it in the form of a fraction here, improper fraction, that helps better to decide the location. So this is 4 to the 8, 1 is the remainder, and you can write it as 2 integer 1 upon 4 is smaller than equal to x. Okay, now consider the first case. When you take it as x belongs to the set of real numbers, just draw a number line and the concept will be much clearer to you. This is 2 integer 1 upon 4. So where would it lie? It would lie between 2 and 3. Where will be the position? In lower classes you have studied. This number is lying between 2 and 3, and the middle gap is divided into the number of parts. What the denominator is here the denominator is 4. So 4 equal parts will divide. 1, 2, 3 and this 4. 4 parts are. Now where is the position? This is the position. This is 2 integer 1 upon 4. You should be able to think like this way. So when the x is a real number and the condition is x is greater than equal to 2 integer 1 upon 4. So this 2 integer 1 upon 4 is included here. So the answer to the question, smallest value of x. What will be the smallest value of x here? It will be, smallest value will be, yes, 2 integer 1 upon 4. Whereas in the second case, when x belongs to the set of integers, what will happen? 2 integer 1 upon 4 is not an integer, right? So the condition you have to see that x is greater than or equal to. X cannot be equal to, so x is going to be greater than. So what is the smallest value here? The smallest value of x will be 3 here, right? Now let's see the next question. Solve the following inequation and represent the solution set on the number line. Question is 25 minus 2x is greater than equal to 1 and less than 5x minus 40. So here what shall we do? First understand these are the two parts of the inequation. So we need to separate them. So how would I write? I would be writing it as 1 is smaller than equal to 25 minus 2x and 25 minus 2x is smaller than 5x minus 40. We shall solve these two parts, okay, and then at the end we shall club it in order to understand the answer. So shift minus 2x on the left hand side. What do you get? 2x less than equal to 25 minus 1. So 2x is less than equal to 24. So x is less than equal to 24 upon 2, and you get x is smaller than equal to 12. Look at this part. What happens here? Gathering the terms on one side, you already have here negative 2x, negative 5x, transpose it on the left hand side. Other side, what do we have is minus 40 minus 25. Now here I remind you, we could have also done negative 2 if it was taken this side. It would have become 5x plus 2x. Also 25 plus 40. Anyways, now this will become minus 7x less than minus 65. So remember the rule, both sides are negative, we are going to make it positive. So you will have 7x, reverse the inequality sign, greater than 65. This gives you x is greater than 65 upon 7. So this again you will have to express in the form of a fraction. X is greater than 7 nines are 63, 9 integer 2 upon 7, right? So you get x is smaller than equal to 12, x is greater than 9 integer 2 upon 7. Now club the two ways, right? So x is greater than 9 integer 2 upon 7 and less than equal to 12. Write it properly is very important. X belongs to the set of integers. Set of integers means you understand we can write the solution set. So what will be the solution set here? An integer which is greater than 9 integer 2 upon 7. So just now we have discussed the problem, greater than 9 integer 2 upon 7, which is the integer 10, right? 11, less than equal to 12, so 12 will be included, and this is your solution set. And I'm sure you all will be able to plot the number line very easily. These are certain markings we need to do, right? So if I have to begin with 10, at least one, that is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. And so I select 10, 11 and 12. This is the answer. Let's see one more example to solve the inequation and plot the solution. Here the x belongs to the set of real numbers. Look at this question carefully. Negative 2 is smaller than half minus 3x plus 1 upon 4. I always suggest that whenever you see before a binomial, whenever you see a negative sign, put a bracket first so that no mistakes take place. And it is smaller than equal to 3 integer 5 upon 8. So first let us write it into the AND format. How will you write? Minus 2 is less than half minus 3x plus 1 upon 4 and half minus 3x plus 1 upon 4 less than equal to 3 integer 5 upon 8. First step. Second step, start solving the two things. So minus 2 is less than LCM of 2 and 4, 4. So this becomes 2. Open the bracket. Minus 3x. Don't forget to make 1 also negative. Okay. Let's simplify this part first. 4 minus 8 is less than 2 minus 1 is 1 minus 3x. Transpose minus 3x to the left hand side. 3x is less than 1 minus 8 becomes plus at there. So 1 plus 8, that is 9. So x is less than 9 upon 3. X is smaller than 3. Look at this part. Here also simplify. Denominator 4. 2 minus 3x minus 1 less than equal to 29.8. So 1 minus 3x is less than equal to 29 upon 8 multiplied by 4. 1s are 2s are. This 2 cross multiply again here. So 2 minus 6x less than equal to 29, right? Now 29 will become left hand side minus 29 less than equal to 6x. So minus 27 is less than equal to 6x. Minus 27 upon 6 is less than equal to x. Minus 9 upon 2 means minus 4.5. Okay. Combine the two solutions we have obtained here. X is smaller than 3. X is greater than equal to minus 4.5. X belongs to set of real numbers. So solution set must be written in set builder form. How do you write? Set of all x such that x is greater than equal to minus 4.5. X is less than 3. X belongs to the set of real numbers. Then you need to draw the graph of it. Number line you need to draw here. Arrow marks, as I said. Then we are starting with negative 4, so minus 5, 4. Negative 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 1 extra integer. Where will be the position of negative 4.5? More between negative 5 and negative 4. Where? How many divisions we want? 2. So this one again. This is your minus 4.5. This is 3. X is greater than equal to minus 4.5, that is minus 4.5 is included, and this includes all these real numbers in between. Thus the number line is drawn. When you are practicing, actually many times you can think of different answers here. As you are practicing, you have got enough time nowadays. So when x belongs to the set of real number, though it is as, in your mind you can think what would have been the answer if suppose x belonged to the set of, say, natural numbers. So you will be thinking x is greater than equal to negative 4.5. This is not applicable. This limit is not applicable for natural numbers. So you would have started with 1, 2. Less than 3 means only 1, 2 should have been the answer. In case of whole numbers, the answer would have become 0, 1 and 2. In case of integer, the upper limit would have been 2 only here. And as far as the lower limit is concerned, you can think that any integer which is greater than minus 4.5. Okay, so the smallest integer we shall be starting will be what? Minus 4. So if the replacement set was integers over here, your answer would have included negative 4, negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1 and 2. You have to keep thinking different way, and then this you will find it very easy. Hope you all have understood. Thank you. Take care.